Alright, one more quick video of the Virago 1100 bobber. Got the forks pulled apart. I didn't get them finished today. Need some more carburetor cleaner or something. I typically use carburetor cleaner. It works really well getting all the crap out of the inside. I'm getting them all cleaned up good. So ran out, didn't have enough to finish them. So anyway, started on them. Got all parts pulled out. Starting to clean them up. One thing I did run into, these top bolts that hold everything together go on the top of the forks. The little Allen wrench in the center was completely stripped out. They were rusted to crap in here. So I didn't have an Allen wrench big enough to fit the outer size. So ended up taking, I'm not sure what size bolt this is, but anyway, metric bolt, and welded a nut on the back side so I could get my impact on it and get these pulled out. But like I said, these were rusted to crap. So I'll have to clean them all up. Apparently these little seals were bad, but so anyway, that was kind of fun getting those out, but it worked. Got them apart, and I'll get them hopefully cleaned up tomorrow, get them put back together, get the new seals in, fork oil, have them done, and then start taping them off and get the lowers painted. The other thing I'm going to try to do is to get some of these, really want to get this exhaust done. Maybe in the next day or two, get it on the bike. I don't have the gaskets yet, but want to get that on the bike, get the bracket built, get them painted, get that portion done. Then I'll be ready to put this into the bike. So just wanted to give an update on the forks. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to ask.